Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on sync address book contacts on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety, and now click discoverability and contacts. Here you will find a sync address book contacts, just click on it like this and this will be turned on. And that's how to turn on sync address book contacts on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.